Good morning, Las Vegas. This is the Morning Blend Extra. I'm Dao Vu. Have you or someone you know been injured in an accident but aren't sure what steps to take? Experience matters. Heather Harris of Harris & Harris Injury Lawyers joins us with more on their services. Good morning to you.
Good morning. Thank you for having me in again.
Oh, our pleasure. Now, what should we do if we've been injured in an accident?
The first thing you need to do is make sure you get medical care, and you should call the police. Now, there's been a lot of news lately about how Metro is not responding to accidents that they deem less important. Oftentimes in those accidents, though, people are actually injured. They may be disoriented. They may not know how injured they are. And it's important that even if you think you might not be injured that badly, that you get medical care right away, because injuries can present over the next few days.
So it's not always apparent, these injuries, so you have to protect yourself.
Exactly, and that's one of the reasons why I've been very outspoken against this new Metro policy. I don't really feel like it's protecting or serving the people who've actually been in these accidents, and now we're seeing numerous reports of fraudulent activity where accident teams are showing up and trying to take reports for people, and who knows what they're doing with that information. And Metro has even acknowledged in their own responses that people are disoriented, they might be somewhat injured, and they might not be capable of fending off these types of predators. It's important to be very careful who you give your information to after an accident.
Yes, and many people turn to a lawyer for protection, for help. So how do you find a lawyer you can trust?
Well, the first thing I can tell you is you don't want to go to a lawyer who approaches you first. You should be taking the step of seeking out a lawyer. If a lawyer approaches you, chances are they don't have your best interest at heart. And I would suggest that probably the person who's spending the most money on their marketing campaign might not have your best interest at heart either. You want to look for somebody that is focused, experienced, and is going to meet with you in person to discuss the unique issues in your case.
And you also offer free case evaluations in your office.
We do. Our case evaluations are always free. We're never going to charge our clients to meet with us, and even if they decided to go with somebody else afterwards, that's a completely free experience. We'll sit down with you, we'll discuss your case with you, and we'll tell you what we think your case is worth.
And a lot of people are confused by it when they're in an accident because they've never been in this situation before. So who do you listen to? Because insurance companies will often reach out as well.
Insurance companies do reach out, and they will make their best effort to seem very friendly to you. They want to seem as though they're interested in helping you resolve your case, but you should keep in mind that the insurance company's main interest is keeping money in the insurance company's pocket. And they know that if they are capable of settling a case quickly and for the lowest amount possible, that's going to be in their best interest, not necessarily yours.
And if you're in an accident, should you be taking pictures? Is that very important?
It's a very good idea. And most people have smartphones or camera phones, but if you don't, you should consider keeping a disposable camera in your car so that you have something there in case you are in an accident. Pictures, as you've heard the statement before, a picture is worth 1,000 words. There's nothing like having a photograph that can show you what's actually happened at an accident.
And when people exchange information, people can lie about that information as well. So
they can, and they do.
Yes, and so you have to be very careful about that as well.
You do need to be very careful, and just because somebody seems cooperative or pleasant at the time of the accident and seems forthcoming with information and maybe even says, "Oh gee, I'm so sorry, my fault, I ran the stop sign," that's not necessarily what they're going to say tomorrow.
They might change their story and tune on you, right?
Very much so.
Where is your office located? You just moved.
Our new office is located at 2029 Alta Drive. It's a new building, new facility. It's very high tech. We've got all of the things we need in there to make sure that we're serving our clients in the best possible way.
And if people have questions, again, you offer free case evaluations.
We do, and we encourage people to call us. Even if your case didn't just happen, even if it's been going on for a while, if you have questions about your case, if it's being handled by another lawyer even, and you're concerned that you don't think it's being handled correctly and you want another opinion, we're happy to give you a free case evaluation and let you know what we think.
Thank you so much, Heather. Harris & Harris Lawyers can help you when it comes to motor vehicle accidents. For more information, just head to the website or call the number on your screen. They're also on Facebook and Twitter. Have a great day, Las Vegas.